Hey everyone, welcome back to Microbial Concepts. So today we are going to discuss about how to study online. Okay, so any student of any subject can watch this video. I hope this video helps you out because nowadays I'm getting messages saying that please ma'am cover all these topics. I'm not able to get any content and I'm not getting the concepts cleared. I'm getting depression about my syllabus or completing it on time, etc. etc. Okay, so yeah, I believe that 2 years of pandemic were actually difficult to everyone, and students were first like happy because they got the education got switched from offline to online, and everyone was happy that oh good, we don't have to go to school and attend the college, etc. etc. But now students are getting serious as they feel that in future, maybe at the time of interviews or when they are looking for jobs, the interviewer or the um, company may look at them as a pandemic batch. Okay, and they may get, or the students are actually getting the inferiority complex. Okay, so to avoid that, today I'm going to share some tips and tricks so that you can complete your syllabus on time, you can cover each and every topic from your syllabus, and you can score good. Okay, not just theory and practical, even in case of interview, I will be uploading a video soon so that you can prepare well for your interviews as well. Okay, and be confident. Okay, so let's start with today's topic. Yeah, as I said, yeah, this is the third year of pandemic and still education is online. Okay, sudden change was seen in education from offline to online, and students are facing some problems in online learning, right? Not just students, even teachers, they also struggled initially, but now everything is okay, and online lectures are there happening regularly, but still students face some problems like there is no consistency in classes, sometimes because of the personal reason or because of their um, teachers different schedule. There are no consistency, or there is no consistency in classes, and the duration of class is very small. Then there is no face to face doubt solving session, no time is dedicated from even students because of their laziness, right? Some important topics get cancelled suddenly, and a particular topic can be very important by a future perspective. Okay, and it gets cancelled because um, the college finds that they should be taught face to face, and the weightage of mark is more, and you cannot just give the questions in exam. So or some other, for other reasons, the college cancels out some topics, important topics. Even the exams are taken in, uh, I will say, actually shortcut. Okay, shortcut examinations are happening now. Then preference, most of the time students give preference to just attending the online lecture and, sorry, then watching the videos and just understanding. There is no written practice, no handwritten notes, and no extra efforts are shown by the students. Okay, and then at the time of final exam, students find it difficult, and they find it like a big burden is there on their head or shoulder that they have to complete everything. So before your exam, when you have a time and when everything is in your control, you can complete your syllabus. How to score good? So that is what we will discuss now. So you have to study smart and not hard. Okay, the best way is to plan your day, because you don't have to attend college and other tuitions or etc. You have whole day in your hand, you have to plan it and follow your timetable. At least try to dedicate 4 to 5 hours a day so that it will be easy for you to complete your syllabus. Keep target. Okay, then use all online platforms while studying. Most important point that I focus on is making your own notes. Okay, you are now in college life, you are not in school, till school, even till your 12th grade, teachers used to spoon feed you, give you everything, give you all notes, ready-made questions and answers, etc. But now in your college life, no one is going to feed you. Okay, ready-made notes are, yeah, still they are given in some colleges, but still those are um, not that detailed. Okay, so you have to make your own notes, right? Then if possible, a small trick here I am giving you is, if possible, make a small group of at least minimum 3 friends, okay, of you, and study in your group. Okay, this will minimize your load and this will save time. This was the trick which I used during my masters and it actually helped me out. Okay, all the notes which I am sharing with you now through these YouTube videos, those are one which I made during my masters. I, not just me, me and my other 2 friends, we used to study together and share the notes with each other. So those are the notes which I uh, used in my masters, and now I am sharing those with you. So this trick actually helps. Okay, please try to make a small group, or at least you and other friend. Okay, 2 people can also study together. Okay, so you need to put extra efforts to study smart. Okay, you have to study smart. How? Attend all your online lectures. Okay, but that is not sufficient. I'm not saying that it is not sufficient so you neglect your online lectures or don't attend them, bunk them. No, attend your all online lectures, see what your professors are teaching or what all points they are giving more time on, or what are they focusing on, because those are the questions which are likely to be, or those are the topics which are likely to be asked in your exams. Okay, so you have to attend online lectures, and then you need to read more. Okay, read more, make your own handwritten notes as they help you in your exam time. Why handwritten notes? They are helpful because before your exam, when your regular classes are going on, you have your time, everything is in your control, you can dedicate some time, you can make your own notes. Okay, own notes are, means they are made by you, so you know the language, the way you have written those notes, what all essential or important points were required, you have covered those. So at the time of exam, what will happen if you find that, oh, I'm blank on this topic, just go to your handwritten notes and refer them. They will save your time. Okay, the rush at the 11th hour, okay, you understand that pressure, right? So at that point you will find your own handwritten notes very helpful. Okay, thank me later for this tip, but you should do it. Don't just watch my video and live it. Okay, try. Okay, from tomorrow, try making your handwritten notes on, say, small topics and see how you feel. Okay, that yes, I have covered this topic today and I feel good, I have all the concept cleared. Okay, I can answer any question if asked in exam on this topic. Okay, so you will feel that the pressure is getting released. Okay, if you start studying from now. Then notes. So notes are very important and they should be made on each concept or subtopic. There should be a proper explanation that you should write. Okay, and your own words. Your own words will help you understand the concept even at the 11th hour. If you are blank during your uh, exam, then you have written your notes, so your brain will memorize that and it will be easy for you to remember. Then question and answers on that particular topic or subtopic, diagrams, flowchart, etc. So now these are some points which mostly your professors will cover in online lecture. So that's the reason I'm telling you, attend your online lectures. Okay, at least your memory will, by while attending the lecture you will find that, oh yeah, this was the diagram which my teacher taught me, okay, or used while explanation. So you can relate to that later or you can memorize that yes, this was the diagram and I found it easy to understand, so I can use this in my handwritten notes. Okay, so somehow your online lectures will also help you. Okay, so don't bunk your online lectures. Then now about your syllabus. So syllabus is vast in your college life. Okay, there are no specific books for say microbiology or biotechnology. You have to refer to online research articles, many different kinds of books, right? So studying in group will help you in this problem. Okay, so first is make a small group. Okay, three of you is okay. So between three people, you have to distribute topics. Why? This will save the time. You alone don't have to take the burden of whole syllabus. Okay. So from each and every subject, like say from immunology, one unit distribute in you three people. Okay, then second unit again distribute, and don't make it that yes, I don't like this topic, so please you make notes on this. No, that is not the way. This is how you put burden on your friend as well. So there should be a clean distribution of topics in you, then you will not have burden of syllabus and again completing in it in time. So share your notes, right? So now your burden is less, you have good time in your hand. Now you make your notes and then you share your notes. You will get ready-made notes of other topics which you have distributed to your friends. Okay, so they will share their notes to you and you have to share your notes to them. Okay, and as this is between you two to three people, make sure that your handwriting is clean. What you have written, the other person can read and understand it easily. The way of making your notes should be simple and clean and clear. Okay, then fourth point is don't forget practical topics. So this was about theory. So not just theory, you also have to prepare for your practical topics, because yeah, in some institutes practicals, uh, the small topics they are covered, and rest other is just taught and simple questions are asked and the practical exam is taken. But that is not the way, because in future when you go for your interviews, actually for biotech and microbiology people, if you are going for a pharma industry for interview, you will get lots and lots of questions depending on your practicals. Okay, so don't forget that practicals are also there and you have to study them. Okay, so use same way to study. Okay, make a list of most likely asked questions and try to find answers. Okay, make a list of most likely asked questions. Try think what my professor or the examiner can ask on this particular topic. For example, gram staining. So um, what is the principle behind gram staining? Or can you give 5 examples of gram positive bacteria, 5 examples of gram negative bacteria, etc., etc. So you have to think that what kind of questions examiner can ask on this particular topic, and you make a list of them and then try to find answers. So in this way you will be ready for your Viva exam also. Okay, not just Viva, because these are the some common questions which you get in your interviews as well when you are a fresher. Okay, so you will get ready for your Viva exam, that is for your practicals and even for your interviews. Now next is each one of your group should uh, watch video and they should read on websites where practicals are discussed. Okay, so that is the way uh, that we are going to study now, right? Everything is online, so you have to find videos, use some good keywords, good combination of words to find on YouTube. Okay, and watch those videos, and you can read on websites. Okay, there are some websites which discuss some practical topics as well. Okay, so just reading also can give you a good idea that, and you can imagine that okay, now I have poured my plate, I have kept it in incubator, that after next day I will get my plate out, I will see whether there is growth or not, observe my results and note it down. That is the way you have to work now. Okay. Then between your group, you have to discuss that practical questions or practical related topic, and then make your concepts clear. Okay. So now it's the time that you have to work smart. Okay. You alone cannot study, because that is not the best way. You will feel burdened, pressurized, and again depressed. Okay. Because the syllabus is vast. Okay. So last is, if in doubt, try to contact your professor, or you can find online answers as well. Okay. So, sorry. So this is how you work for your theory and practical. Then, about planning your day. The best way to study smart is plan your day, follow your timetable, and dedicate at least 4 to 5 hours. So this is a very rough timetable which I made for you. Okay, not necessary to follow this, but you can manage your timetable according to your online lectures, um, at what time you are more comfortable studying, like morning, or some students, they are like nocturnal animals, they actually like to study at night. Okay, so this depends on you, how you have to plan your day. It's all up to you. So just quick view here. So say you get up at 7 a.m. in the morning, get ready and have breakfast till 8, and you start studying. The first 1.5 hour in the morning is 8 to 9:30, when you're actually fresh, and you can concentrate more. Get a difficult topic for yourself that you can focus on. Okay, for example, genetics, you can study genetics. Okay, so now here you can watch a video on a topic, or 3 4 videos you can watch, try to understand what they are explaining. Then side by side you have to note down the notes. Okay, make some points, right? And then use diagrams or flowcharts to make it simple. Okay, and use colorful pens. Okay, that is also a very important point here. Colorful pens will help you, help your brain get the memory of what you have written. Okay, the brain can easily memorize. And when you will try to remember that what was written on my notes, or in my notes, at that time you can find that your brain is capturing some images from your memory of your handwritten notes. Okay, so at that time the colorful paints will help you to get the image in front of your eyes. Okay, so that's the reason using different types of colors, pencils, paints will help you get your notes very attractive. Then you can have a break, small break. Then again you can, suppose you have 10 to 1 p.m. online college lectures, attend those, then take a small break, have lunch, sleep, rest for some time. Then again at the afternoon time, that is 3 to 5, you can study another subject for 2 hours. Then again evening break, then keep some time for your college assignments or discussion with your friends, that what you did today, was it easy topic or not, when will you share the notes, etc etc. Then keep some self time, and dinner break you can watch a movie, chit chat with your friend, go on social media. It's up to you. This time is for yourself. Then again, uh, after having dinner, you can study for 1.5 hour, take another subject. Okay, again take a break, uh, freshen up a little, get ready for bed. Okay, so this is how you can study at least for 5 hours a day. Now this depends on you. You have to manage your timetable and follow it. Okay, so this is a rough idea, and it's up to you. Depending on your college lectures, you can manage your time. So online platforms, which are the online platforms which you can focus on and use? Okay, the very important point here is, don't rely on Wikipedia. You can read Wikipedia, but don't make notes from Wikipedia. Wikipedia is what, there are many users, and there is option where it can be accessed to edit. Okay, so don't rely on Wikipedia, rely on YouTube, Google Scholar articles from say NCBI, PubMed, Science Direct, Nature, FDA, ResearchGate, elsewhere, etc. These are very good websites where you can find good articles, research articles, or some reading good concept reading material. You can follow those, and mostly you will find in the introduction part and the conclusion part is where you will find your theoretical concepts mentioned, okay, and described. So if you find um, say a gene therapy, you have to study gene therapy topic. If you just google out gene therapy, you will get many articles on Google. Open any one of it, okay, and try to read the introduction. So introduction is the part where gene therapy is explained, okay. So you can use that particular content to make your handwritten notes, okay. Then next is Google Images. Images of Google Images is for flowcharts and diagrams. Okay, so not each and every concept from your syllabus has flowchart and diagram. Okay, so try to incorporate diagram and flowchart wherever possible, because it also helps you fetch half or 1 mark extra for the diagram, okay, or the flowchart, because that's the way professor can understand that okay, he has studied well, he knows that this is the diagram. And if you have written short explanation and you have drawn the diagram, you will get good marks there because of your diagram, okay. So don't neglect diagrams. Then websites, there are many websites, okay. Now I'm talking here about websites, not the articles. Okay, so the website can be of biology or microbiology or biotechnology. So some of the topics are interdisciplinary, so you can find that particular uh, topic in any of the three websites. Okay, then online teaching platforms like Chegg, Coursera, or Bartleby. So these are the one which I am familiar with, and sometimes you find the answers or there is a free access on Google, but sometimes you find that the subscription is asked. Okay, so if you have subscription, then it's good for you. You can make a good use of Chegg, Course Hero, or Bartleby, okay, or any other teaching platform that you know. Then making your own handwritten notes. What all to cover? I have already discussed this, so I will just go quickly through this. So basic introduction or the definition of that particular concept or topic, then concept description and process, diagram, flowchart, important examples, names, or many a times in microbiology we have enzymes to remember. Okay, so that all should be get covered. Then after that, make a list of at least 2 3 questions which covers short note on that topic, justify type of questions, explain and describe. Okay, so this is all you should cover in your handwritten notes. Okay, and try to study in group. Okay, and follow all the tips and tricks which I shared today and start studying from tomorrow. Okay, so a reminder here that many of the Viva question videos are uploaded on my channel, even how to prepare for your interview, what are the most likely asked interview questions. There is a video uploaded on that as well. Then how to prepare for your practical exam, how to prepare for your theory exam, or the way I studied for my microbiology exam for masters is what also I have discussed and uploaded a video. Okay, so I'm not saying here that just follow my channel. You can follow any YouTube channel that you think you are able to understand the concept, you are able to relate what the YouTuber or the teacher is explaining. You find the notes are very easy, okay, and you think that watching these videos, you think that the or the all the topics from a subject are covered, and you don't have to keep on changing the YouTube channel. You have to watch 3 4 videos and then decide which video to follow. Okay, so this is up to you. So you have to decide which video you have to watch you have to rely on, which YouTube channel you have to follow, and how you have to study. Okay, so just you have to be thorough while watching the videos. Don't take lightly. There are some short videos also present on YouTube. Don't follow that. Get a very good explanatory video, self-explanatory video that covers each and every topic from your concept. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you all. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do recommend your friends to watch my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.